Hey everyone, I'm going to explore the Dubai Gold Souk with you today. So people come here, it's a tourist hotspot, and also to pick up some discounted jewelry. So we're going to walk through and see what we see. Come on. So when you come here, it's not just gold that you'll find here. You know, they got the Grand Souk, the gold, you got herbs, some of the historical buildings, and as you can see, matches of perfumes and textiles and so on.
What's the name of the I am Sultan from Emirates.
What's the exchange rate here, like for gold, compared to other countries? Is it better here or other places?
Yeah, absolutely, it's better here because it's here more quality. Not in Emirates, in Middle East. I think it's here it's better because you know many customers, many tourists come from all the world, come to Dubai to buy gold. So this is why I think that the gold in Dubai is more better than other countries.
So here, can people have custom-made jewelry, or is it ready-made? Like for example, like you have these pieces on the wall. Can they be custom-made?
Yeah. This is like some of them. The design is handmade, and some is like machine. Yeah. So you can check that. See if there is any mistake.
Wow, it's flawless.
It's pure gold, actually.
Yeah.
And this is the 21 karat.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And so, tell me the name of your shop.
It's Amir Tashar. It's the princess of Middle East.
Okay.
So I hope you are the next princess of the Middle East. Next customer, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Hi guys, we are a big dealer of diamond and gold, and we have several shops in Dubai. We have wholesale division as well. We do deal with diamonds, and currently we give 70% discount on diamonds, which is huge. So please visit our branches in Dubai. Welcome. Thank you very much.
Look at these. These are diamonds over here too?
Yes, all of them.
Wow. And pearls. Dubai was known as a place to get pearls back in the past, but then the Japanese took over with manufacturing pearls. But as you can see, these are not perfect. These are natural pearls that they're offering here. So for about $25,000, you can look like your favorite rapper. And he's got diamonds in there too. So he'll have it all laced out. crossed out of the spice area. I mean the gold area, and we're into the spice area. Here in the spice souk, you see all kinds of stuff. You know, they got prawns out here, throwing your soup and rice, nuts and so on. Saffron, which tends to be very expensive in most places. Rock candy, dates, all kinds of stuff that you can get out there. And of course, your souvenirs.
We have different types of saffron.
Okay.
Saffron, this saffron, Bahraman saffron. Bahraman saffron is pure saffron. There's no how mixing, no copy. This real saffron. The real saffron of Bahraman, we have treated. This one is fast grade. Name of this top super nagin. Top super nagin Bahraman. The grade one, the good quality. Then all is pure. No any piece is mixed. All is pure. Also we have the second grade. Like this, Nagin.
Nagin.
Yes, this second grade. This also is pure, no mixing, no anything. Yes.
So where is all this grown? Like this is Badran, you said?
Yeah, this one is third grade. Third grade. This coming with flour, some little flour inside in this. This no all saffron.
So what are the different uses for first, second? Is it the flavor that's there?
Yeah, you can use it this one for cooking, for everything you can use this one. This one also same this one, but this second grade, this one is stronger in this. Then this one you can use only for coffee, for tea, for this one. You cannot use in cooking and some sweets you can want make some sweets. You cannot use this one.
Okay.
But you want make it sweets, you want make it some cooking. This one is best.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome.
But this saffron we sell like this. The 1 gram is 20 dirham. But because some people want 1 kg like this, we give some discount. But the 1 gram is coming 1,000 gram is coming 20,000.
20,000 dirham.
Yeah,
Okay.
20,000 dirham.
And how long does this saffron stay fresh? Like if you ship it somewhere, how long does it stay fresh?
2 years.
2 years? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Good.
2 years. Then this fresh. But you can use this one, the cool place you can keep. You can use 4 years, no problem.
Alright.
Yes, you can use 4 years, no problem. You can keep cool place, no hot place.
We've run through the gold souk. We've run through the spice souk. What would a trip out here be without stopping at an oud shop? So I'm gonna go in here and you're gonna get explanation of what oud is.
Hello, how are you? And myself Sarifuddin Ahmad. I'm from India actually. Which one you like, sir? How can I explain for you?
Well, tell me about the different ouds.
Okay, sir. This is Indian oud from my place. This is Vietnamese. It's very good qualities of my song. This is like a black color. If you ever, this is not good because this is white. This is black. It's very 100% fragrance coming. It's not a, like a 25, 50, 20 like that fragrance coming. This is 100% fragrance coming. Okay. Then let me see this one. Is Malaysian.
Malaysian oud.
Yeah. Is it Malaysian? It's very good fragrance. It's very strong.
How much like would one of these chips cost?
Yeah, this is Partola is 100 dirhams. 12 grams, 100 dirhams.
12 grams, 100 dirham.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's your most expensive oud in here?
Yeah, I have many qualities of oud. Like this one is Malaysian. This is Indonesian. This is Indonesian. It's very expensive, and also I sell 1 tola is 120 dirhams. 1 tola 120 dirhams. If you buy like 1 kilo, that it's a wholesale price for you, like 7,000 dirhams.
7,000 dirhams
Yes,
for a whole
sir.
kilo.
This is Indian muri. This is called Indian muri. This is expensive. Like in my shop, it's 6,000 dirham per kilo.
Okay.
It's very good and it's sweet smell.
That's about $200 for a kilogram.
Yeah, like burn it. You can see. Yeah, fragrance is coming. You can take. This is Indian fragrances.
Yeah, really good.
Thank you. This is a Moroccan.
Moroccan.
Yes. This is oud Moroccan. This is super double super.
Oud Marrakesh.
Yes. Not that smell coming. If you burn it, then it's coming smell. Take smell like this. This is strong. Yeah. And this is my best expensive in
So
the
this,
areas.
so this is the most expensive.
Most
there.
expensive this one. This one is 10,000 dirham per kilo.
10,000 dirhams per
Yeah,
kilo.
this is
okay.
but this is Indian.
Yeah.
This is Indian.
You're not gonna burn that one.
Yes, why not?
Nah. And the name of your shop is? Tell me the name
Yeah,
of your shop.
my shop name is Fatma.
Mm-hmm.
Near Golsu, gate number 2,
Mm-hmm.
and in front of Rasasi Perfumes.
Okay. Thank you. So now I'm over at the Arabian Tea House. If you get tired of walking around the souk, exploring, buying stuff, then you can hop over, get the Abra, cost you 1 dirham. And then there's 2 spots that are highly rated, which is the Arabian Tea House as well as Al Khaima restaurant. And they serve local Emirati cuisine.
How are you? Are we here in Arabian Tea House? Now I introduce to you our food. Okay, this is our food. This is Arabic breakfast tray. We have hummus. This is sambosa, falafel, and mutabal. Okay, and this is the best thing we have. Our main course. This is our main course. This is the laham, and this is the makbous rice, and biryani chicken, and of course our saluna chicken and lamb we have.
Yeah.
Okay, and the one thing we have also our lovely barbecue.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we have laham, chicken, kebab, and this is our signature lemon lamb tikka.
Is that right?
Yes,
Nice.
this one.
Wow.
Okay.
So check the links in the description box of this video so you can see the TripAdvisor links for Al Khaima and also Arabian Tea House, and read the reviews inside if it's a place that you want to stop and get some meat. I'd recommend it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the run through the gold souk, the spice souk, perfume souk, utensil souk. Hit that like button if this video was useful to you. And if you have any questions, comments, just leave it in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you.